What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change bank information on TurboTax. So you might be wondering how to exactly change your bank information here in TurboTax. Well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to take in consideration first before changing your bank information here. Now, we actually found this article here, which is directly from the TurboTax community here. So according to one of the employee tax expert here, as long as you haven't already filed your return, you can still change your bank account information. But how do you exactly do that? So they actually added a link here that we could visit, which is directly from TurboTax themselves. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open or continue your return there, and you want to look for the option that says file and just choose start or revisit or continue or something like that. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and basically you want to go ahead and choose the refund or slash payment info and just select see all options on the get your refund up to 5 days early screen. And you want to go ahead and choose direct deposit and just follow the on-screen instructions here to update your details. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.